Alam nyo ba na pwedeng mag-tour sa Okada kahit hindi ka check-in guest? Yes, yan yung na-avail ko sa Klook. And for as low as 1,188 pesos for 2 packs, pwedeng-pwede. Pero ito yung kinuha namin, yung Manila Sunset Experience, 2,000 per person kasi may Korean barbecue feast kami after the guided tour. Make sure to wear your most comfy shoes kasi maraming lakad. And ang galing ng tour guide namin kasi siya na rin yung taga-picture namin. Super Instagrammable talaga. And we got a chance to see yung Villa Coron. This is worth 1 million per night lang naman. Bigla tayong nasampal ng kahirapan. Charot. Kaka-check out lang ng guest. 3 months sila nagstay dito. Grabe, diba? And grabe, super laki nitong villa. May pool sila, may gym, may spa, and this is 1,000 square meters, tapos 5 rooms yan. Ito, napuntahan din namin yung spa retreat nila, tapos yung mga lobby, and yung mga ballroom na available. Yung Cove Manila, kasama rin yun sa tour, kaso unfortunately, may event, kaya hindi na rin namin napuntahan. Hanggang entrance lang kami ng Cove. Pero after the guided tour, ayan, sa Goryeo Korean Dining naman kami kasi samgyup kami. Ito yung kasama sa tour namin. Kaya medyo pricey siya, 2,000 per person kasi may only samgyup. And grabe, sobrang quality nung meat ang kakapal and only yung egg niya. Spare ribs pa, tapos may dumpling soup. Grabe, sobrang sulit nito talaga. Maraming options for the Okada guided tour. Check nyo na lang sa Klook. And of course, use my promo code para mas makamura kayo. After eating dinner, pwede kayong manood ng fountain. Hindi na nga lang kami nakanood ni Hobby kasi may work pa siya. Pero overall, highly recommended tong Okada Manila Tour and Dine sa Klook. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Keep follow me for more vlogs. Bye-bye!